Celebrated in many countries, International Workers' Day, also known as Labor Day, commemorates the struggles for rights made by laborers and calls for greater attention to protecting their interests. China also observes the traditions. However, as time goes by, the holiday in China is no longer limited to ensuring workers' rights as defined in Western countries. People celebrate this day now to promote the spirit of model workers. Every year on May the 1st, individuals and groups who have excelled in their work are honored in China. Zheng Chunhui, a master wood carver from China's southeast Fujian province, is one of the workers being honored. Using multiple techniques such as open work and Putian wood carving, Zheng managed to reproduce along the river during the Qingming festival an ancient scroll painting by Song Dynasty painter Zhang Zeduan, engraving it on a 30-meter-long tree trunk. Each of the 2,275 human figures in the painting required more than 100 cuts to carve. The most amazing part in the carving is the 66-centimeter-long rope, which has a diameter of only 4 millimeters. On the back of the tree trunk, Zheng engraved another version of the scroll, which was completed in 1736 and is now in the Taipei Palace Museum's collection. Such designs represent a hope for national reunification. Zheng received the National Labor Award Medal on Labor Day in 2019. There are, of course, other kinds of workers besides craftsmen like Zheng. Wen Xiaozhen works at a factory that manufactures permanent magnets in Jiangxi province. Fondly referred to as Tomboy by her colleagues, Wen is a machine operator who can make 2,000 molds every day, while others can only produce around 1,300. She can identify and fix machine failures, and in her spare time helps her 36 colleagues get the hang of operating procedures and improve efficiency. Over the years, she has created tens of thousands of products, none of which has been found to be defective. An extremely high level of diligence in positions viewed as ordinary also perfectly reflects the spirit of model workers. In addition to craftsmanship, diligence, and the sense of responsibility, innovation is also a key part of the spirit of China's model workers. For example, a recipient of this year's National Labor Award Medal, Zhang Rongqiao, is a chief designer on China's Mars exploration mission. He and his team spent 6 years tackling difficulties to ensure the successful landing of the Zhurong Mars rover on the Red Planet, which marked a significant step forward for China and even humanity in the field of aerospace. Zhang is also a model worker and an inspiration for others. The list of National Labor Award Medal recipients also includes ordinary delivery drivers and senior engineers. Although they work in different industries and bear distinct responsibilities, they all stand out for their hard-working spirit and are equally inspiring. As Labor Day approaches, we hope that everyone can carry forward such spirit, work to improve themselves, and make the world a better place. Thank you for watching. I'm Xu Yi in Beijing.